In the previous classes, we talked about the major oil and rare earth resources across the globe. In this series, we'll focus on the major gas resources. Now, the very first to start with is Canada. Montaigne is one of the major gas production areas, which is also known as Duvernay. The next important location coming on to the Appalachian Ranges in United States is the Marcellus Shale. Now this is known as one of the largest gas production in United States. It is spans or moves through the region of Pennsylvania, Ohio, and New York. Coming on south, there are important locations that could be seen. Now, first one is the Permian. Now, Permian is the associated gas known for its Permian deposits. The next is Haynesville. Now, Haynesville is known for dry gas shale supply, and there is another location which is known as Barnett Shale, again known for the shale deposits. Coming on to the regions in the south, Peru and Argentina have two important deposits of of natural gas. In the regions of Argentina, it is known as Vaca Muerta, which is also called as the gas window, and one of the major supplies not only for the gas but also for the oil. In Peru, Quemesia is again a major gas field. It is related to the Amazonian basin and is a major supplier not only for the domestic requirement but also for the export purpose. In Senegal, the Greater Tortue area is one of the deep water LNG projects, and then at Mozambique, Rovuma is an offshore project which is also known for its LNG production at its peak levels, right? In India, the major deposits are at the Krishna Godavari basin, recently discovered. Now, the Reliance KG D6 is the major project running in that area. Coming on to the regions of Malaysia, Natuna East, it is known for its offshore gas production, but it emits high amount of carbon dioxide in the South China Sea. In the regions of Australia, Northwest Shelf region, now it is again known for the LNG export, and one of the major LNG production areas close to the area of Australia is the Gorgon and Ichthys. Now Ichthys is again known for not just the gas but also for the condensate deposits. Coming to the regions of China, two important regions, Sulegi, which is the onshore deposits, and then Tarim Basin, which is again known for its gas condensate. In Russia, there are huge number of deposits that are seen. So the first one is Chayan-Desoi. Now this is in the eastern Siberian region, and it leads to the power of Siberia pipelines even to China. Then the another important location is Urengoy. In the western Siberia gas fields, and it is considered as the second largest on earth. The next important is Yamburg. Again, it is part of the Oblast series of gas deposits, and Bovenkovo, which is part of the peninsular plateau area, and this peninsular region which is known as the Yamal Peninsula. The next is Shotkoman. Now this is again an offshore deposit in the Arctic area, and one at the border of Kazakhstan and Russia, that is known as the Karangach. It is again a gas condensate deposit. In Turkmenistan, Gelenmush, which is the world's largest deposits. The second largest is seen in Russia, as we already saw. In the regions of Caspian, Shah Deniz, which feeds the corridor through the southern Europe. In the regions of Norway and North Sea, Omega Lange is an deep water offshore project, and Troll, which is at the North Sea gas fields for the Norwegian exports. Then one important location that you can see is the historic location for Europe, and that is known as Groningen, which was considered as one of the major reservoirs, right? Coming on to the Mediterranean area, three important reservoirs for natural gas. One is the Zohr, which is one of the largest in the Mediterranean regions. Leviathan, which is a deep water supergiant for gas production, and Tamar, again, both of them close to the Israel. In the regions of Middle East, North Field, which is under Qatar. So the Qatar holds the northern dome, which is the largest LNG production. The southern side or the south parts is with Iran, right? So South Pars is with Iran, and then you have the Kish field, which is again one of the major gas fields in the region of Persian Gulf. So those were some of the major gas fields that we have discussed globally. I believe we were able to cover all of these locations. Now still, if some of those is left, you can definitely refer the study material and the complete section below. So thanks for joining, and in case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back to us for more information. Have a wonderful day.